Now we understand what is DDS. DDS means data distribution services. It is just a communication pipeline inside ROS2 architecture. There is multiple ways of communication available utilizing this DDS channel. The first method of communication using DDS is publisher subscriber method, which we have discussed in the previous video. Now we are going to discuss about services. This is the second mode of communication using DDS. For understanding this, we can consider two ROS nodes. This I can call this node as commander. So I will call this command node, and another node which is a navigation node. So I call it as nav node. This command node is actually a service client. This navigation node is a service server. So the command node will send a request to the service node, means server node, to move the robot 2 centimeter. So it will be sending a request. Like move 2 centimeter. So this will be a request. So the command node is sending request to the server node to move. The request is move the robot 2 centimeter. And this navigation node, which is a service server, which will do this action. Once it is done, it will be sending back. It will be sending back its current position. Okay, I moved 2 centimeter. My current position is whatever value it is. It will be sending the current position as a response. So this is the basic structure of like service mode in ROS2. So here the service client will be sending a request to do certain action, and so the service server will do this action. Whatever it is written inside this program, it will do this. It will perform this process, and it will send a response back to this client. Okay, that's all for now.